NHL Playoff 2026 Rapid Fire Sabres Bruins 60 seconds. I'm taking the Sabres advance to the second round. Lightning Canadians. I'm taking the Lightning to play the Sabres. As for the Hurricanes Senators, a bit of an upset here. I'm going Senators over Hurricanes to advance. Penguins Flyers. I have Penguins advancing. Lightning Sabres in the second round. Sabres have beaten up the Lightning all year. I'm taking the Lightning to the Eastern Conference Final. We have Penguins Senators. I'm going to take the Senators again to make the Eastern Conference Final over the Penguins. Lightning, Senators. I got the Lightning over the Senators to the NHL Stanley Cup Final. As for the West, let's run it through. Avalanche over Kings. I have Stars over Wild in 7. Golden Knights, Mammoth. I'm going to take the Mammoth over the Golden Knights, and Oilers, Ducks. I'm taking the Oilers. Avalanche, Stars. I'm taking the Avalanche to the Conference Finals. Mammoth, Oilers. I'm taking the Oilers to the Conference Finals. Oilers, Avalanche. I'm going to go Avalanche to the NHL Stanley Cup Final. Who wants it more? Lightning, Avalanche, rematch 2022. Tampa Bay Lightning win it all.